Here's max cool. It's on energy saver mode right now. And interestingly, even though it's a 1980, it's got the more modern rotary compressor. Okay. Here you can hear the refrigerant. You hear it flowing through the system. Okay, that's max cool, regular cool, and quiet cool. Here I'll show you the outside of the unit. Here's the outside of the unit. You can see the running capacitor right there. It's nice and hot. Here's the compressor. The compressor's quiet. You can't really hear it that well when you're outside. Not as smooth as the reciprocating compressor. But the camera can't really catch it. The compressor's slightly shaking. It's like vibrating. You can't really see it on the camera, but I can see it's vibrating slightly. So yeah, this is a 1980 Whirlpool quiet miser. It's a 13,000 BTU air conditioner. And I'll put it back to high cool. That's my kitty. Stay. And she tries to run outside. She's cute, but she likes to get into trouble sometimes, right? Yeah, you. All right. Now go back to high cool. Well, when it's on low cool, it blows really cold. Alright, thank you for watching.